Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Chhaya Khillare. I am working as assistant professor in zoology in late Pushpadevi Patil Arts and Science College, Risud, District Washing, and my college is affiliated to Sant Gargi Baba Amravati University, Amravati. The topic of my presentation is composition of teeth correlating with feeding in freshwater fish, Hypothalamus nobilis. Teeth plays very much important role in case of feeding. What kind of teeth are present in the mouth, on the jaws, on the lips, it all based on the feeding patterns purchased by the different fish. Introduction. Morphology of fish feeding apparatus is strongly correlated with feeding strategy and the environmental conditions. The position and size of the mouth shows a close relationship between location and size of food items. The relative size of the mouth can be used to determine the size of food particles engulfed by the fish. The structure related to feeding habit in Hypothalamus nobilis shows interesting modification reflecting that the fish is having herbivorous feeding habit types. The adaptations of the mouth of fish to their food is particularly evident in the form of mouth size, shape, structure of the oropharynx, dentitions, and the gill records. The present study is established to emphasize on the types of teeth are present, the structure of teeth are present in case of Hypothalamus nobilis, which shows the herbivorous feeding type of habits. Material and methods. This research has been carried out in the Kaigaon Toka, district Aurangabad. The sampling collection of the Hypothalamus nobilis was done by using diverse gears like hooks and lines, cast net, hand net, and some local fishing like tutis, dalgi, which is mostly used for the collection of small size fish. The collected samples then fixed into the 10% formalin. Then these fixed samples were brought to the laboratory for the further studies. After fixation, the head gut was opened by dividing the head into upper and lower half by cutting horizontally to the mouth and to the esophagus. The roof and floor of the buccopharynx were properly washed to remove mucus and preserved in 70% alcohol and 70% alcohol and glycerin for stretching. The jaws, gill rakers were properly examined and photography was done with the help of Olympus Sigma camera, digital camera. These are the results. These all photographs has shown the results. First image where you can see the head of the fish. You can see that the lower jaw is slightly upwarded than the upper jaw. The mouth is disproportionately protruded, which shows the fish Hypothalamus nobilis is a bottom feeder. Then you can see the present of eye, head is large and disproportional. Then image number 2, you can see that there is a cutting opening of lower and upper jaw. The upper jaw consists of upper jaw with the upper lips, and then you are having universal folds. These folds are used for the holding of prey. The lower jaw consists of lower jaw, lower lip, then tongue, gill arches. Both the jaws, upper jaw as well the lower jaw, they do not have teeth on the lips. The tongue is somewhat triangular in shape and it consists of different types of taste buds. Then gill arches. Then the pharyngeal teeth are present on the pharyngeal bones, and these pharyngeal bones are covered by the they are covered to the central pad or the chewing pad. In the figure number 3, you can see the pharyngeal structure of pharyngeal bone. Pharyngeal bones are consist of a long strong bones which are consisting 4 numbers of teeth. The formula of teeth in this fish possesses 0, 4, 4, 0. Teeth are rod shaped, pinkish in colors and somewhat transparent, and the pharyngeal bones are of 2 in numbers and they are consist of pharyngeal teeth. Then gill arches. The gill are structurally are comb shaped, which are modified for the filter feeding habitat that fish has been possesses. Then the chewing pad. Chewing pad, it is a centrally located pad which are surrounded by the different pharyngeal different types of pharyngeal bones. Thank you.